How to copy a video link on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to copy a link on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are on your TikTok, choose a video that you want, and all you need to do is click on the share icon beside the search icon. And here you're gonna find on those options, you can scroll over and you're gonna find copy a link. Click on it, wait for a second, and now link copied. Do this with any video that you want, for example this one, and click again on copy link, and this is it. A link copied, easy and quick. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.